Most developers think where and having are almost the same, but using the wrong one can completely break your reports. In the next few minutes, I will show you the real difference using production style data. This is one of the most misunderstood SQL concepts, even among experienced developers. Many developers think where and having are interchangeable. They are not. They filter data at completely different stages of query execution. Here is our sample sales table. Imagine this is a production data set. We will use this to see how where and having behave differently. So we have the sales table which have the order ID, customer, region and amount columns. We have amounts 5,000, 3,000, 7,000, 2,000 and 4,000. When you run select star from sales, then it will give you these many records. Now let's have a look at this query. Select star from sales where amount is greater than 3,000. The where clause filters individual rows before any grouping happens. Only rows with amount greater than 3,000 remain. So here we have amount 5,000, 7,000 and 4,000. All are greater than 3,000. Now let's group the data by region and calculate total sales. This aggregation happens after where filtering. So look at this query. Select region, sum of amount as total sales from sales group by region. So here we are grouping the result by region and against each region we are summing up the amount and representing it as total sales. So we have this result where the north region has the total sales of 12,000 and the south region has the total sales of 9,000. Remember, this grouping happens only after the where filtering. Now, having filters aggregated groups, not individual rows. So let's have a look at this query. Select region sum of amount as total sales from sales group by region having sum of amount greater than 10,000. So if I go back to the previous slide, here we have north region total sales 12,000, south region total sales 9,000. On this aggregated result, when we apply having clause, having sum of amount greater than 10,000, we are left only with this record, the north region one, as its total sales is greater than 10,000. And that's what we have got here. So remember, having filters aggregated groups, not individual rows, and here only regions with total sales above 10,000 remain. Remember this simple rule, where works on rows and having works on aggregated groups. Use them correctly to avoid reporting mistakes. If this helped you understand SQL better, subscribe to Data with Kaushal for more real production lessons. Till then, goodbye and take care.